Hi, this is White Rings. Today we will learn 10th standard 3rd unit poem I Am Every Woman. Every woman, according to the poetess, she is always beauty incarnate. She is a symbol of power and strength. She encounters risk in her life. She is always ready to persist, is the key to cross over grounds and mounts. Today women are beauty, brave, strong and resolute. See the first stanza. A woman is beauty innate, a symbol of power and strength. She puts her life at stake. She is real. She is not fake. Through these lines, the poetess want to explain every woman is an inborn beauty. A woman is beauty innate. Innate means inborn. Then a symbol of power and strength. A woman is a symbol of power and strength. And she put her life at stake. She is prone to put her life at risk. Stake here means risk. And she is real. She is true in expressing her love, and she is never fake. Second stanza, the summer of life she is ready to see in spring. She says, spring will come again, my dear. Let me care for the ones who are near. She is the woman. She has no fear. The summer of life she is ready to see in spring. Meaning, every woman are confronting obstacles of their life. She is very optimistic in her approach, even at times of adversity. She says, spring will come again, my dear. The woman believes the good times will come again in their life. Let me care for the ones who are near. Meaning, she continues to care those who are near to her. Then she is the woman and she has no fear of anything. The next stanza, strong is she in her faith and beliefs. Persistence is the key to everything, says she, despite the sights and groans and moans. She is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Explanation. Strong is she in her faith and beliefs. Women are so strong in their faith and beliefs. Persistence is the key to everything. She says that persistence, meaning determination. So the determination is the root key for their success. Says she, despite the sights and groans and moans, she is strong in her faith, firm in her belief. Meaning, in spite of the complaints, the grumbles, and the grievances, she is strong in her faith, she is firm in her beliefs. Next stanza, she is a lioness, don't mess with her. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Don't ever try to sour her pride, her self-respect. She knows how to thaw you and saw you, so beware. She is a lioness. She is so ferocious, like a lioness. So don't tease or play a joke with her. Mess means tease her. Don't mess with her. Don't tease her. She will not spare you if you are a prankster. Meaning, she will not leave you simply if you try to tease her. It is better for a mischievous person to stay away from her. Don't ever try to sour her pride and her self-respect. We should never try to bring disgrace to her pride and self-respect. She knows how to thaw you and saw you, so beware. Meaning, she knows how to behave very softly and how to behave very fierce and cut them. So be careful of your woman. The last two lines. She is today's woman. Today's woman dear. Love her, respect her, keep her near. Meaning, she is today's woman dear ones. She is much brave, much healthier. Therefore, it is safer and healthier to love her, respect her and keep her near to our heart. She should be kept as a dignified person. So, I Am Every Woman is a meaningful poem. It is a memorator poem also. So the poem is about the wonderful qualities of women. It talks about the multifaceted nature of women. Today's women are empowered, brave, strong, and resolute. They are always ready to take up new ventures. They are persistent and work tirelessly to prove what they are capable of. Women have to be treated respectfully for the growth of a nation.